I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to update your address on Wix, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Start by signing into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your website. Step 2. Access your site settings. Once you're in the dashboard, locate your site and click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage various aspects of your site. Step 3. Go to Business Info. In the Settings menu, find and select Business Info. This section is where you can update your address and other contact details. Step 4. Update your address. In the Business Info section, enter your new address in the designated fields. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid issues. Step 5. Publish your changes. After updating your address, don't forget to click the Publish button to make the changes live on your site. If you skip this step, your updates won't be visible to visitors. Updating your address on Wix is straightforward, and following these steps will ensure your information is accurate. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.